Here's the truth about making $20,000 per month with Facebook monetization. Now, a lot of you guys are seeing screenshots on, X, Facebook, Instagram, watching videos on YouTube, and 99% of these videos are how to make $200 a day or how to make $500 a day on Facebook, how to make $1,000 a month, blah, 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 blah. But most of these people don't actually make that money. What they do is they see other people making money. They take a screenshot of that and then teach it, and then they start selling a course and teaching people how to make money on on Facebook. But the reality is most people aren't making that much money on Facebook. Now, to make $20,000 a month, here is the reality, okay? So last year, Facebook were paying about $100 per 1 million views. Whereas this year, they're paying about $1 to $20. Okay. Now, especially with Reels, they're not they're not giving you money on Reels. Last year, again, it was about $100 per 1 million views, and that was on a 10-second reel. Whereas at the moment, I'm seeing anywhere from $1 to $4 on a 10-second reel. It's really, really disgustingly bad. But right now, let's just say the average revenue per 1 million views is $20. Yeah, just to make it easier. So for you to make $20,000 with Facebook monetization, well, that's a lot of views. That's a lot of views. So some of you guys are thinking, well, you can make $20,000 a month if you just follow XYZ strategy, or if you post 20 times a day. No, no, guys, no. If you want to make 20K a month, and yes, it is possible with the right strategy, but the truth is, and if you follow my YouTube and my social media, I will never lie to you, because telling the truth means more to me than making money. I would rather make no money and tell the truth than to lie to people to make money. I've always been like that. So if you follow my channel, I will always be honest with you. So for you to make $20,000, most of you guys won't make that because you don't have, 100,000 followers or a million followers. The people that I know personally that are making $20,000, $30,000 a month, they all have above 500,000 followers on Facebook, and they post about 20 to 30 times a day. Now, even some of these people are coming to me. So they were making 20, even some of these people are making $50,000 a month, absolutely loving the Facebook monetization. But this year, especially over the last 3 or 4 months, they've gone from making 30, 40, $50,000 a month to making like $1,000 or $2,000 a month. Their revenue has gone down the toilet. Their reach has gone down the toilet. Facebook has given them false violations, false flags. The AI system will find a way to restrict you somehow or put a violation on your account. And then they obviously say, sorry, we made a mistake. The AI system made a mistake. But all of a sudden, your revenue has now dropped. And some of these people are making the same amount of views. So I'll give you a quick example. Before a violation, let's just say you're getting 500 million views for the month and you've made $50,000. Well, Facebook don't really want to pay you $50,000. So what they'll do is they'll put a false violation on your account. They'll go, sorry guys, we got it wrong. It's a AI mistake. The next month you get 500 million views, but instead of making 50K, you now make 12K. And they will say that your account's in good standing, your profile or your page is recommended, it's green, it's healthy, but you'll start to make less and less money. That's how the system operates. And this is why I always tell you and teach other people, but people don't seem to listen or care, because people want what's most comforting. People want how you can make $1,000 a day on Facebook by using ChatGPT, how to make $300 a day by posting memes. The reality is that doesn't work anymore. And if it does work, instead of working, 1 out of 50 times, it now works 1 out of 10,000 times. Because the reality is there's more people on Facebook, there's more posts, there's more AI content. And how the algorithm works with Facebook is it constantly pushes the posts that are getting the most engagement. So let's just say you have a post and it's going viral in 3 hours, and it goes from 0 to 300,000 views and it's getting 400 comments. Well, if that starts to slow down a little bit, because let's face it, nothing goes viral for 5 years. Yeah, it'll go viral for maybe a couple of days or a couple of weeks, and then it gets less engagement, and then it slowly starts to drop off. What Facebook will do is when the engagement drops, if there's another post on the platform that is getting higher engagement, higher likes, comments, shares, saves, tags, stuff like that, Facebook will then give them more reach in the algorithm, and your post that was going viral will get less reach. This is why a lot of the time you're seeing right now, especially comparing now to 3-4 months ago, a lot of the times your posts aren't going viral like they used to. They're not getting as many comments as they used to, and that's simply because the algorithm has changed. There's more content creators creating content on the platform, and it's getting worse and worse because Facebook has released, I think it was about a month ago, that they're offering people from YouTube, X, Instagram, Pinterest. But so if creators have over 100,000 followers or subscribers, they're simply offering them up to $3,000 to post content. It doesn't matter if it gets any views. It doesn't matter what happens. They're just simply wanting more creators over to the platform. They're paying them up to $3,000. And what's going to happen is you're getting tens of thousands, if not hundreds of thousands, of more content creators with huge audiences. They're all coming to Facebook, and it basically means they're producing more content. So, and because they're bigger creators than you, and they've got like hundreds of thousands, if not millions of followers, well, their posts are going to get more engagement than yours. So their posts are going to be getting higher reach, which means your posts are going to get lower reach, which means that you're going to get less revenue, less views, less everything. And that's probably why you're seeing, and not just you, but 99% of other creators are seeing a huge drop in revenue lately. And it's simply because the algorithm has changed. Facebook's getting greedy, which I won't get into, but I've got another video. I'll put it here. And if you haven't watched this video yet, I highly suggest watching it, because I've caught Facebook and how they're paying creators. So with YouTube pay creators properly. YouTube will pay 55% of ad revenue, and YouTube keeps 45%. Now, 55% is a huge chunk of revenue. This encourages creators to keep creating content, and it gives YouTube 45% of the profit, which means they can keep growing YouTube, and they've obviously got thousands of tens of thousands of staff that they need to pay a yearly salary. But what Facebook is doing is they're paying creators 0.2%, sometimes 0.1%, sometimes maybe 1%, depending on like the videos, the length of watch time and stuff. But literally, Facebook is underpaying creators massively. And there's a reason why Mark Zuckerberg is one of the richest people in the world. He's simply underpaying creators, and it's why that Facebook is also giving out so many bonuses now. I won't go into that. I'll go over that in another video, but there's a reason why Facebook is giving you these bonuses of, share 6 reels and we'll give you a $50 bonus, or share 13 reels and we'll give you a $100 bonus. It's because they're making so much money from your content, but they're not paying you the revenue that they're supposed to be making. So they're giving you these little bonuses as little dopamine hits. So you're creating all this content, you're getting tens of thousands, if not millions of views. They're making tens of thousands of dollars from your content, and they're paying you literally $1 or $2. I don't know if it's a scam. I don't know if they're doing it unethically, but they're making hundreds of millions of dollars a day by getting creators just like you and me to produce, millions of videos per week on the platform, and they're just monetizing off us. It's a really bad system, and it's only going to get worse. So I highly encourage you, if you're still trying to make money on Facebook, it's only going to get worse. So let's just say you're making $500 a month right now. You're probably not going to make $1,000 next month or $2,000 the following month. It's probably going to go up and down, but over time you're going to make less and less money. And it's going to get to the stage where if you're making $500 a month now, you're probably going to make $400 and then $200. And so I'm telling you this, guys, if you're seeing the same stuff I am on Facebook, you need to, not that I want you to stop producing content on Facebook, because that would be silly, but I don't want you to rely on Facebook monetization to make an income. What I want you guys to do is focus on Facebook, whether that's building out your profile or a page. I've got 20 different pages that I am able to make money on, but let's just say you've got 1 or 2 pages. Keep posting content, even if you're making an extra $100 or $200 a month, that doesn't really matter. But more importantly, if you want to make bank, whether it's $2,000 a month, $10,000, $50,000 a month, you simply have to have a strategy. And the strategy could be you post viral content, whether that's memes or reels, and then you sell something like a print on demand product, or you're selling a $27 offer. People buy that offer and then they get an upsell or whatever it is. But I'll go over this in a new video for the channel. I'll leave this video here. I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.